hello. Bonjour, Hosong, Goeiemorgen, Guten Morgen. I wanted to introduce you to my Udemy physics course that I published today. It's for people who are interested in the foundations of Newton's laws of motion, who want to learn how to do the basic calculations. The next topic will be acceleration. So, did I say acceleration or acceleration? I'm sure you got it either way. So, please share the message. I'm on Udemy and I will be posting some updates on my Facebook page. And by the way, check out my 10 discount coupons now for this week. It's for a math course. I'll see you in class.